Good afternoon viewers, and it's vlogs and food reviews here, and today, you know what day it is, it's Takeaway Tuesday time. Today we're still in Blackpool, in Simpson Street, and we're at Ahoy traditional fish and chip shop. As you can see, we're situated opposite Lucky Stars, Pablo's, and we look in line there with the South Pier. You've got the Premier Shop there, and you've got the Pleasure Beach. We can just see under the glaring sun over there. Right, I'm going to go inside, see what's on the menu, and I'll be back in a moment. Right viewers, today I have got sausage, chips and a pot of curry sauce and a can of pop, and my partner has had fish, chips and a can of pop. The total price come to £15.50, which obviously viewers in Blackpool might not seem bad. Obviously where I come from back in the Black Country, obviously it's a lot more expensive, but it's a lot more expensive here, should I say, than it would be in the Black Country. I'll get my words correct. Right then viewers, let's take a chip, try the chips and see what we think. They're okay. They taste like frozen chips to me, viewers, if I'm honest. They definitely taste like frozen chips to me. They're nice, but I can't say they're the best chip in the world. I could do with, as you can see, they're not been cooked that long. As you can see, they're quite light, so I think they need an air in the tanning shop, in my honest opinion. Don't get me wrong, they are nice, but I suspect them are frozen chips. Right, let's try the curry sauce. There we are viewers, that's the curry sauce. Let's see what the curry sauce tastes like. It sticks to the chip, that's a good start. There's not much flavour to that, you know, viewers. Not much flavour at all. It's alright. Not the best in the world. Like I say, the total price in total for mine and for my partner. My partner's situated inside at the moment. I'm just sitting outside. I've got to say, in total, like I say, for sausage, chips, curry sauce and a can of pop, and for my partner's, she had cod, chips and a can of pop. In total price come to £15.50. What do I think? Oh, well, first of all, we'll try the sausage before I make an assessment on what I think. See what I think of the sausage viewers first. No, sausage is very nice. Sausage is probably the best of the meal. So, right viewers, it's time to get down to the nitty gritty part of it. Right, first of all, we're situated, like I say, in Simpson Street, right by is the Lucky Stars. Over there, Pablo's, like I say, we're directly opposite the line south of here. Chips to me are okay. They're not the best in the world. I just get the impression them frozen chips, it's just my honest opinion, which is disappointing for me. They could do with going down the tanning shop, I think, for an hour, because they don't look that well cooked. The curry sauce is nice, but it ain't got a lot of flavour to it. The jumbo sausage is probably the best part of the meal. That's very nice. That's well cooked. Right, viewers. So what do I think on the regards to score? For price wise, well, this come to £5.60, and then the can of pop an extra £1.25 on top. Obviously, compared to where we normally film back home, it's quite expensive, but obviously for it being the seaside resort and popular seaside resort, you probably would expect around about that price. But for overall, viewers, like I say, sausage is nice, chips not totally impressed by, curry sauce could do with a bit more flavour. So what am I going to rate it? For the fish Ahoy in Blackpool in Simpson Street, viewers, I'm going to rate it 6.5 out of 10. So it's 6.5 out of 10 for the fish Ahoy chip shop in Blackpool. Thank you very much for watching Takeaway Tuesday, and I'll see you on the next one. From sunny Blackpool, it's bye for now.